Okay, I want to take you guys through the MLS, a little bit of information this morning about average sales prices in Huntsville and what you can get in Huntsville, Alabama for the average sales price of around 382. This came out in December. So if we go to the MLS and we look at active listings in Huntsville, Alabama, we get 99. That's a very broad search. We're not looking for anything particular, just how many are there in that range. And I put a range in of 350 to 425. That kind of gets us in that average sales price point of 382. So let's take a look at a few of these homes. So this is these are auction. There's a couple of auction properties on the lower end. Let's go all the way to the high end, which is 425. We will look here and we see there's a new home in the Mount Carmel area, 2,400 square feet. A little over 2,400 square feet. Then we have a condo, another new home in that same Mount Carmel area. So this is the first home, highest end, 425. It's been on the market 201 days, 2,890 square feet. This gives you a little bit of idea on the high end, what is available on the resale market in Huntsville. This is located in the Buckhorn High School District. It has granite countertops, tile floors, wood floors, and looks like a tall sunroom and a fireplace. So let's close out that. Let's go down. Here's 35806. This is Columbia High School District, 2850, around about the same square footage. A little bit different area, still at the top end, 425. Oh, it's got a pool. And it's a little dated there. That one's been on the market 60 days. Let's go on down, see what else we can find. New home there, new home, new home, new home, new build. This one is built in 2015, so this is another resale home in the Monrovia area. This is Sparkman High School. We're down to 420 now. Sales price and still around that 2,800 square feet. Three-car garage. It's like we got an open floor plan, wood floors, granite countertops, some crown mold, nice kitchen. So let's go on down a little further. There's another resale, same Sparkman High School district, 3,000 square feet, a little bit larger. This one's been on the market 26 days. Let's see, it's a two-car garage, wood floors, brown mold, kind of open floor plan. And let's go down a little further. This is Midtown on the Park. They're still in the 420 range. New build. This one 419. That's a little bit older home. This was built in 1964. 3,400 square feet. So this one's larger. A little bit dated. Kind of an older layout of a floor plan. It's going down Bailey Cove Road, Grissom High School District. This one's 2,400 square feet, but it has 1.57 acres. This one is a little older. It's got a nice little property area, but very dated. Needs a little bit of work there. And this one is 170 a square foot. It's been on the market 145 days. This one's kind of new, it is new, it's brand new, another proposed construction. This is a resale, Grissom High School District, so this is South Huntsville. An older home, 2-car garage. It looks like it's been updated a bit. This one is 2650 square feet, listed for $419. Let's go on down and get, this is 2021 build for 179 square foot, 415, 2300 square feet. An older home here and on Humes Avenue. This is downtown Huntsville area. 414, it's been on the market 199 days. So some of these on the higher end look like they might be a little bit over the price, maybe on price per square foot. This is a 3,600 square foot home in the Buckhorn School District for 111 a square foot. So you can see the difference here. 4099. Let's take a look at this one. It is a proposed construction. So this is a new build that you can actually get. Legacy Homes. I believe it's Legacy Homes. Let's see. Yes, Legacy Homes of Alabama. This is an example of something you could get in the Buckhorn School District. New build. This one is not, these are just rendering photos, but this gives you a good idea of what you could purchase in this price point, new build in that area. This is a good price, 111 a square foot, 3,600 square feet. Kind of the same. Back to Grissom, 168 a square foot. Let's just kind of click through these really quickly and get to that average sales price of 382-ish, 385. So here we have 2,100 square foot, 181. This is in the Grissom High School District, South Huntsville area. And this is a resale home. This gives you an idea of what is on the market there. Tile dining area or breakfast area off the kitchen. White appliances, but it does have granite countertops. Some wallpaper there, some older hardwood floors. It's been on the market 16 days. Let's go down a little bit more and found a condo. Here is another home in the Buckhorn School District, 175 a square foot for 385 is the sales price, 2,200 square feet. And see, 2-car garage and another garage, it looks like. A nice patio area. So that is an average price for Huntsville. Use some paint. This is Grand Lake. This is in South Huntsville. 163 a square foot, 2,357 square feet, 385. This is in your average sales price range. This is a little bit newer home. Hardwoods, granite, open kitchen. So going on down, these are kind of, 1 to 5 year old home in Cedar Brook subdivision. That's very close to Providence. These were built by Legacy Homes. This gives you an idea of, again, in the average sales price in Huntsville. what is out there. And this one's 378. It's 179 a square foot, 2,100 square feet. And let's go on down to some of the below average sales price per square foot, or below average actual sales price. And let's see what we have. 364, that's a really small house, 364.9, 2,300 square foot. This is a proposed construction. This is again in Buckhorn School District. So there's a lot available in the Buckhorn School District. 364.9, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, new construction. That's a new construction. This is a new construction, new construction. So there's a lot of new construction that you can purchase in the average sales price in the Huntsville area. And if you want to go South Huntsville, some of those homes, they're not going to be new homes, but they are, you know, close to the city, close to shopping, close to restaurants. Some of them may need a little bit of updating, pretty hardwood floors here on this one. And kitchen looks like it's been kind of updated. This one is $360. It's only $135 a square foot. It is in South Huntsville, Grissom High School District, 2,662 square feet. This has only been on the market. It's been on the market 105 days. This kind of gives you an idea of what you can get in the Huntsville market in your average sales price. This is a new build, lots of new builds, some older homes, some that may be a little bit overpriced, some condos and townhomes. A lot available, seems to be a lot in the Buckhorn School District over east side of Huntsville. And here's a Johns Valley house. It is 187 a square foot, but this is a very popular area. It's very close to shopping, restaurants, theaters, 1,869 square feet. This one's been on the market 55 days. And this gives you a little idea of what you get here. And this one is $350 and been on the market 55 days. Let's go back and look. The days on the market average is 39. So we may be inching up just a little bit on days on the market. This is another South Huntsville house. Days on the market here, 75 days on the market, 2,398 square feet, $145 a square foot, and it's listed at $350. So this looks like a pretty nice house here for $350 in South Huntsville. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of what you can get in the Huntsville market. And if you need to explore this further, you'd like to give me a call and find out more information about what you might can get for the average sales price, or whatever your sales price might be, you might be looking at in Huntsville, just give me a call. I'm Karen with Remax Alliance, and I'm 256-226-5062.